Cat in the fish tank, eyes piercing through the glass, fish trembling in fear. Funny sitting pose, hilarious posture, instantly laugh out loud funny. Cat on piano keys, one step, sound rings, cat jumps back in shock. Lucky cushion landing, carries cushion, jumps down, lands perfectly on it. Phone protector, cat hugs the phone tightly, glaring at the owner, don't even try. Door opening cat, claws grip tight, door swings open, what a skill. The funniest moment is still ahead, stay tuned, you won't want to miss it. Kitten napping in car, cozy and warm, kitten sleeps soundly in the car nook. Grumpy cat, sharp stare and attitude screaming, not in the mood. Candy box kitten, snuggled up in a candy box, utterly adorable. Cat in the food cabinet, headbutting the cabinet, determined to get the food, pure persistence. Kitten in a saucepan, sits quietly behind the dishwashing girl, a silent kitchen assistant. Cat eating watermelon, each bite screams satisfaction, this cat truly loves its snack. Cat in a vase, squeezes into a vase, snugly fitting in impossibly small spaces. Which moment did you like the most? Comment below so everyone can discover and enjoy it together. Chasing the water hose, jumps at the watering hose to drink, relentless and funny. Cardboard muncher, passionately chewing on a cardboard box like a gourmet meal.
You ate a bee this morning, how do you feel? Thank you.
Digging through stuff, tossing items everywhere with intense focus, hilariously chaotic. Hissing at the mirror, Confronting its own reflection with hisses, what an identity crisis. Glowing eyes, in the dark, cat eyes light up like mysterious little lanterns. Chicken thief, clinging tightly to the drumstick, the kitten refuses to surrender its prize. Milk splatter, milk splashes everywhere as the kitten drinks, turning the floor into a white chaos. Phone protector, hugging the phone tightly, the cat denies anyone a chance to grab it. Speedy chicken theft, a lightning-fast theft, the drumstick barely had time to say goodbye. Eyeing broccoli, eyes fixed on the broccoli in its owner's hand, the cat is ready to pounce.
Is it time for dinner? When is dinner time?
Cat pianist, the feline maestro taps the piano keys, creating a symphony of delightful chaos. Which moment did you like the most? Comment below so everyone can discover and enjoy it together.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to give me more motivation to create more adorable content. Which moment made you laugh the most? Comment below so we can laugh together again. And make sure to hit subscribe so you won't miss the next hilarious cat videos.